Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Silas Infotech. If you're setting up a new Windows 11 PC or doing a clean install, you've probably hit this screen, the Microsoft account login. Microsoft really wants you to use one. But what if you just want a simple, local offline account like the good old days? Maybe for privacy, for a testing machine, or just because you prefer it? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you not one, but two super simple methods to bypass this requirement and create a local account directly. The first method uses a simple command, and the second is a brand new trick that might just be the easiest yet. Stick around because it's easier than you think. Alright, let's start with the most well-known method. You'll need to be at the network connection screen. This is where it asks you to connect to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The key here is to not connect to the internet. If you are using an Ethernet cable, unplug it for now. For Wi-Fi, simply don't select a network. Instead, we're going to bring up a secret command prompt. Press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open a command prompt window. It might seem out of place, but this is our gateway. In the black command window, type the following command and press Enter, /bypassrow. Once you hit Enter, the setup will reboot. When it comes back, you'll go through the initial steps again until you get back to this same network connection screen. Look carefully now. After the reboot, you'll see a new, small link that says, I don't have internet. Click that. Then, on the next screen, click Continue with Limited Setup. And just like that, you can now create your local account. This method is a tried and true classic. But what if I told you there's a new, even faster way that doesn't require a reboot? Let's try method 2. For this method, let's assume you are connected to the internet. Go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi or plug in your Ethernet cable. Get all the way to the screen that says Sign in with Microsoft. Just like before, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. This time, type this command and press Enter. That's start mcxh, local only. This command tricks the setup into launching a hidden local account creation page. See that? It bypassed everything instantly. No reboot needed. You can now just type in your username, password, and security questions, and you're good to go. This is currently my favorite method because of how quick and clean it is. So, which method should you use? Method 1, /bypassrow, is great because it's been reliable for a long time. It physically prevents the PC from going online during setup, which is a surefire way to trigger the local account option. Method 2, local only, is the new kid on the block. It's incredibly fast and direct. However, because it's newer, there's always a small chance Microsoft might patch it in a future update, though it works perfectly as of this recording. Both are perfectly valid. If one doesn't work for some reason, just try the other. And that's it. Two simple ways to take back control and set up a local account on Windows 11. So, which method do you prefer? The classic reboot or the new instant trick? Let me know in the comments below. If this video saved you a headache, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech tips and tutorials. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.